give you an interior video on a 2013 Freightliner Cascadia 125. Let you see this thing. It does have an Airride seat. It does work. The inside is actually the bottom cushion's in good shape. Has a little wear right here from being bent over. Go ahead and get in it. It does have a telescoping steering column, so it is adjustable. Here's the Eaton 10-speed right here. It does have jake brakes. It also does have a Delphi radio. It also has differential lock as well. There's the glider kit system right here. Engage. There's your up and down. Go ahead and go to the driver passenger side seat. Passenger side seat's in good condition. It does not have any rips, tears. Usually don't get much wear. Up above, it does have a CB radio. It does come with the truck. As you can see, it has 621,000 miles. There is no lights on. It does have a parking brake on because the parking brake is applied. Headliner is in good condition, a little dusty for being used. Again, this truck will be selling on equipment deals through pre-auction time. It'll be going to auction on the 30th, or actually it'll be ending on the 30th. It'll be going to auction on the 14th. So buy it before then and save yourself a lot of money. It's a nice unit.